Hey folks, so just off now to get ready for the Kenstructive criticism show tonight. So quite often you guys post your drone movies on YouTube and you want some feedback on how you can perhaps be better, whether it's from flying to the shot style or the editing and post-production, and even down to how you upload it to YouTube, video titles, descriptions, keywords. The idea of constructive criticism is to be really blunt but constructive and give you guys that kind of feedback. You can submit your videos during the show as well, and it's a really just good session with banter, me and Ken being idiots and Ken taking the piss out of my English accent. Anyway, if you'd like to watch it, tune in tonight. It's in an hour and a half, 7 o'clock CET, or in the USA sometime in an hour and a half. Don't know what the time zone works out to, but do come along. It's on Ken Heron's channel. I'll link to it below, and it's definitely worth popping along, say hello. And if you do come along because you saw this video, then open up the live chat during the video and just comment with the word meatballs. It'll just be random and funny. I don't know why. Anyway, hope to see you there. Cheers guys.